In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Mario Kart on Nintendo Switch 2 players. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up 2-player matches on your Nintendo Switch. This will work for Nintendo Switch 2 if you are playing Mario Kart World, or if you are playing Mario Kart 8 Deluxe on the Nintendo Switch 1. Regardless of which one you have, you can follow these same instructions. When you go to the modes of Mario Kart, you will be able to find multiplayer. If you want to do couch co-op or split screen where everyone is going to share the same screen, the same TV, this is the option that you are looking for. If you want to play online with a friend, you can also choose the option, and I'm going to showcase it later, but first I want to focus on multiplayer because I assume this is what most people are looking for. So if you only want to play with 2 players, choose this option here. You and someone else will be able to share the same screen, and each of you will have your own controller. When you choose 2 players, the Nintendo Switch is going to ask you to pair up the controllers. You can take the left Joy-Con and use this as the controller for player 1, and the right Joy-Con as the controller for player 2. Alternatively, if you have separate controllers like a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, just synchronize it with the console and then assign it to the secondary player. So you can choose however you prefer to approach this. Just press left plus R on the controller that you want to use after it has been synchronized by pressing the sync button. With the controller connected and properly assigned, immediately upon choosing 2-player, assigning it here, each of you will be able to select your own characters. So you can set up the characters, the cards, and start playing right away. Choose your tracks and enjoy. Alternatively, if you want to play online, go to the online play option and you will be able to see 2-player. When you choose this option, you will set up a friends lobby. So go over to friends, create a room, and then press the plus button once you are inside of the room. Once you press the plus button to show more options, you will be able to see View Room Info. By selecting this, the room ID will be displayed here, so all that you have to do is note it down, and whoever wants to join this room can do so by using the Search by Room ID option. But like I said before, I believe most people just want to know how to do couch co-op, aka split screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Mario Kart on Nintendo Switch 2 players. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.